Hi guys, good morning. This is Dane. Welcome back to the channel. This is Dane again, Filipino Nurse Retire Home. Um, Today I'm still in Samal. We have about 1 month and a half left here in Samal, and we're going back to US of A. Um, well, I have not been doing too much of projects here, and we were really tired, okay guys, because there's only 3 of us here who can do yard work, and the main guys, I have 2 main guys and then Bulantoy, they're all in the city. If you followed my videos, my channel, we're renovating a very dirty, crappy, dilapidated small house in Davao City, and we've been doing it for almost 1 month now. We have done maybe, I would say, 60% to 70%. I decided, guys, I'm not gonna make this as a showcase. This is gonna be a simple as it can be, livable. Um, the bathroom is done. We're gonna finish that. We're gonna render the walls and then tile the bottom part, put up the sink, and put the commode. And that's it. No additional tiling, just enough for them to use it, okay? And then the kitchen, it's gonna be an open kitchen. I don't care. And then we're just gonna do the sink area, because these people do not even really cook, okay? They buy it from one of those toro and buffet thing. They go there and eat, and they just cook rice. So if they're afraid of maybe somebody stealing their place, stealing their, I mean, their utensils. Really, they do not have very much utensils there to speak of. So I'm not afraid of that. So we're just gonna make it as open as possible. So there's going to be a good ventilation. Now, as far as the inside, we're going to make this a straightforward project, retain all the division, except that we are going to clean where the old bathroom was. That's gonna be, I'm not gonna say tear down the walls, but we're gonna clean it up and then redo the flooring of that. And that's gonna be where they're going to store their boxes, because they have to have a place to store their stuff. So we'll retain that, and then we're gonna put new doors to it, and we're done already on the roofing and do all the screening, and then put some sort of stairs going up and down. Um, we have to do it because sometimes if there is really a very heavy rain, there's also tendency there that it's gonna be flooded. That area is a flood zone. So to protect that, we have to elevate that area, and we put, it's an old house. I do not know how they planned that, but they should have elevated the foundation before they put up the house. So we're not making the house to look good. We're making that right now, renovating in such a way that my sister would be able to live there safely. So that's all what we can do for that house. And we're going to vacate that place as soon as we can. Maybe we only have 1 more week and we can all come back here, because it seems like the whole time I was here, we are renovating the house. We have not even gone in a vacationing. So it's really very unfair on my side as well as on the part of my husband, because that was not the part of the plan. But we're doing it due to moral obligation. So that's what it is. So we're gonna have to get out of there, and everybody will be happy. So I'm going to play you a song. I have not touched this one, the accordion, for the longest time. I think I'm just gonna play you a song just to break the monotony. Right now I'm going to play you, what is that? bridge over the troubled water, something like that. Let me see. Okay. All right, you ready for me? So pardon me, I have not really done any kind of practice. Thank you. I hope you enjoy that and it did not break your eardrums. Love you guys. See you. I'm going to go to the city maybe this coming Wednesday and I'll show you some more videos of that. Thank you. Bye-bye again.